Hello everyone. Make a nice judgment to your product choice. I'm Judge Yamashita, your product navigator. We are reporting from the Smart Factory EXPO 2026, where we will showcase CONTEC solutions that meet the need to get more done on work sites, all in just 5 minutes. We will be looking at two main points. A solution combining industrial computers with the real-time OS INtime, our endpoint security solution. Let's start with the first point. CONTEC's real-time OS solution. Let me ask you something. How many controllers are in the equipment you are in charge of? A PLC, a motion controller, a logger, and an HMI computer. Control panels are stuffed with boxes. Wiring is complicated. Drawings are hard to manage. Maintenance procedure pile up. And then there's vendor lock-in. That can really limit your option, right? Are you facing challenges like this? Take note! There is where CONTEC solution comes in. An industrial computer combined with the INtime real-time OS. Please turn your attention to the screen. In this demo, something incredible is happening. A falling ping pong ball is detected by a sensor. At precisely the right moment, it hits back before it ever reaches the ground. If the strike is delayed by even a few milliseconds, the ball would drop. And yet, it never does. That's because it's running on low latency real-time control. Take note! This control runs on the same computer as Windows. That means you can run Windows application for HMI, logging, and data analysis, all while executing real-time tasks with complete stability. The traditional 3-layer setup of a PLC plus industrial computer plus vision computer can now be consolidated into a single unit. And there's another major advantage unique to this platform. It's a control platform with no vendor login. INtime runs on x86 platform, so you are free to choose your I/O and field bus without being tied to any specific vendor. In addition to support for Ethercat and a wide variety of other networks, you can even leverage your existing servo and I/O assets. Now is the time to move from a system packed with different boxes to a simple, high-performance computer-based architecture. That's what we call the right choice. Next up, CONTEC's endpoint security solution. Over the past few years, you have probably heard the term ransomware more often. Attacks on companies are increasing. Over 30% of cases appear to involve the manufacturing industry. We often think of perimeter defenses like firewalls protecting a network. But once the perimeter is breached, individual devices are exposed. That is why concepts like Zero Trust and Cyber Resilience are gaining attention. Security strategies are shifting to the assumption that attacks can't be completely prevented. But with so many options out there, it's hard to know which solution is right. That is where CONTEC's endpoint security solution comes in. The concept is simple. Protect the entire industrial computer across 3 layers: BIOS, OS, and applications. Take note! Let's start with the lowest layer, the BIOS. CONTEC's industrial computers incorporate international security standards at the BIOS level, blocking tampering and malware even before the system boots. Protection starts even before the power is turned on. These features ensure that only the correct BIOS is allowed to run. Next, the OS layer. By leveraging Windows lockdown features, your on-site device operates like a dedicated system. With unified write filter enabled, the disk remains unchanged. Even if unauthorized modification occur, a simple reboot restores everything. It's as if nothing ever happened. USB access can also be restricted to approved device only, reducing the risk of data leaks or unauthorized transfers. And with App Locker and a fixed shell configuration, operators can't access unnecessary apps or menus. Finally, the application layer. Here, we use an allow list-based antivirus approach that only permits registered applications to run. Unknown malware can't even begin to execute. That means no definition updates, no periodic scans, a lower CPU load, and an operation model designed for industrial equipment. CONTEC's endpoint security delivers protection across 3 layers. With this 3-tier approach, your industrial computer becomes a device suitable for systems that simply cannot be allowed to stop. Now, that's what we call the right choice. CONTEC offers a solution that combines industrial computers with the real-time OS INtime as well as its endpoint security solutions. And that's not all. We also provide a comprehensive support system to back you every step of the way, making it clear CONTEC is the right choice. Feel free to contact CONTEC today.